वो कहाँ था? Where had he been? Where had he been? ऐसी बात नहीं है. It's not like that. It's not like that. कौन शुरू करेगा? Who will have a go? Who will have a go? कैसे आना हुआ? What's bring here? What's bring here? ये तुमने क्या कर दिया? What have you done? What have you done? काम से जी मत छुड़ाओ. Don't shake the work. Don't shake the work. खुद कर ले. Do it yourself. तुम बात करने के लायक नहीं. You don't deserve to talk. You don't deserve to talk. तुम मुझे इसके बारे में बताते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you tell me about him? Why don't you tell me about him? मैंने उसे एक हफ्ते से देखा नहीं. I have not seen him for 1 week. I have not seen him for 1 week. मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया. मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया. I have never done it before. I have never done it before. किसी को नहीं पता. Nobody really knows. Nobody really knows. मैं भी ये नहीं करूँगा. I won't do that either. I won't do that either. वो इन मौके पर आ गया. He came in the nick of time. He came in the nick of time. वो आजकल छुट्टी पर है. He is on leave these days. He is on leave these days. मुझे नहीं लगता वो जानता है. I don't think if he knows. I don't think if he knows. अपना ही घर समझे. Make it your home. Make it your home. मैंने आपको नहीं पहचाना. I did not recognize you. I did not recognize you. मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. वो वापस कब आया? When did he came back? अच्छा दोबारा नहीं करना. Well, don't do it again. Well, don't do it again. हम बहुत देर तक बातें करते रहे. We keep talking till we're late. We keep talking till we're late. तुम कौन सा लेना चाहोगे? Which one would you prefer? Which one would you prefer? मुझ पर बहुत ज़्यादा कर्जा है. I am under heavy debt. I am under heavy debt. एक एक करके बोलो. Please speak once at a time. Please speak one at a time. आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? वो खाते पीते खानदान से है. He belongs to a well-off family. He belongs to a well-off family. उसे कहीं मत जाने देना. Don't let him go anywhere. Don't let him go anywhere. अपने दिमाग पर ज़्यादा जोर मत डालो. Don't stress yourself too much. Don't stress yourself too much. वो बहुत कंजूस है. He is such a penny pincher. He is such a penny pincher. वो कभी भी आ सकता है. He may come anytime. He may come anytime. यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी. It would be very kind of you. It would be very kind of you. पुल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flower. Don't pluck flower. तुम ख्वामखा परेशान हो. You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. तुम्हें कैसे पता चला? How did you come to know? How did you come to know? मैंने सुना है वो अच्छा डॉक्टर है. I heard he is a good doctor. I heard he is a good doctor. तुम्हारे पास 10 मिनट है. You have got 10 minutes. You have got 10 minutes. हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. We have a plenty of time. We have a plenty of time. वो कभी मेरा दोस्त था. He was once my friend. He was once my friend. आज मेरी छुट्टी है. आज मेरी छुट्टी है. It's my day off. और सब्सक्राइब करें इंग्लिश PS for more daily uses sentence. Thanks.